Planificalo con tiempo, pagalo en cuotas y vive una experiencia con todos los detalles resueltos.
Quería ver unas botas que son hasta la rodilla, pero no sé.
Ya hablamos con José del Río y con Diego Cabo. Hay autos que te llevan y otros que no pueden dejar pasar. Chevy, Tigo, es el show más fachero, sin duda. Siempre un precio que no se repite. 29.000 dólares. Los cupos son limitados. Conocelo acá.
La Nación 104.9. Más música. No es lo mismo que nuestro actual
Good evening. Today is Saturday, August 3rd, 2024. It is currently 6:39 p.m. Here is today's news headlines. The stock market went berserk. Markets insider, Zac Efron taken to hospital after swimming pool incident in Ibiza. TMZ, Imankelov gender eligibility Olympic boxing controversy, explained TOVAY. 2024 Paris Olympics, Team USA finishes group play 3-0 with 104-84 win over Puerto Rico. Yahoo Sports. Trump, Paris Spar over date, network of presidential debate routers, NBC Sports. Islamic extremist group kills 32 people in attack on beachfront in Somalia's capital. NPR. Deputy killed and 2 others injured in ambush shooting at Florida home. NBC News. Second law firm begins class action lawsuit investigation on Intel on 14th and 13th. General CPU instability issues with tech. Another wave of violence and protests hits UK after Southport stabbing. CNN. That's all for the news headlines. Have a wonderful day.